Guys, today I'm going to show you how to use Google Sheets offline mode. So let's head over to Google and access our Google Sheets example here. Click on the first link and just log in with your account. Here I am already logged in, so let's choose this Google Sheet document. So if you want to use this Google Sheet document, access it later. With offline mode, you're going to have to go to type into Google. Google Sheets is the first step. So we're going to head over to Chrome Web Store and type in Google Docs offline and hit enter. Click on the first extension and click on Add to Chrome. So this extension allows you to use Google Docs offline, including Google Sheets and other Google materials. So this is pretty much it. Let's get back to our Google Sheets, guys, and head over to Plugins and click on Docs Offline. So our document here will be saved and be accessed later offline in offline mode with that plugin. And that's it, guys. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and share.